case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard the case Madison Gas and Electric Company v. Commissioner in 1980, which revolved around a dispute over tax deductions from a joint venture to build and operate a nuclear plant. Madison Gas and Electric Company, MGE, along with two other utilities, faced the question of whether their joint venture qualified as a tax partnership under the Internal Revenue Code. The tax court ruled that their expenses were non-deductible startup costs of a new partnership venture, as they believed the joint venture constituted a partnership for profit. MGE appealed the decision, arguing that their joint venture should not be considered a partnership. However, the Court of Appeals found that the venture did indeed fall under the necessary degree of business activities carried out by the co-owners or their agents, which qualified it as a partnership for profit. Furthermore, the court rejected MGE's argument that joint profit motive was a determining characteristic of partnerships. Ultimately, the Court of Appeals affirmed the tax court's decision, ruling that the expenses in question were non-deductible startup costs for the partnership venture, as opposed to ordinary business expenses. This decision emphasized that the joint venture between MGE and the other utilities did in fact constitute a partnership for profit, and that MGE's expenses were non-deductible startup costs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.